Ever felt like your ideas lose impact because they're stuck in plain text? Communicating complex concepts can be tough. When words alone don't cut it, imagine turning your thoughts into visuals in seconds. Making them engaging and easy to share. Napkin does just that. This tool transforms text into stunning visuals, charts, diagrams, and more, helping you explain ideas with clarity. Stay tuned as I'll show you how Napkin works, and by the end, you'll see how easy it is to use and understand. Okay, go to Google and search Napkin, then click on the very first link. The link is also provided in the description of this video. Alright, this is the homepage of Napkin. Here, we can create visuals from our text. Napkin transforms your text into visuals, making it quick and effective to share your ideas. How Napkin works: start by pasting your text, forget prompting. Napkin works directly with your text. You can use PPT files, Word documents, and many more formats. Next, click Generate Visuals. Napkin generates the most relevant visuals based on your text. You can then pick the one that best matches the experience you have in mind, polish it up, and make it your own. Napkin visuals are fully editable, allowing you to adjust content and style to maximize their impact. You can add icons or swap icons from Napkin's extensive database of decorators, emphasizing your message with style. It includes smart connectors, dynamic connectors that can connect anything, colors that always look good in light or dark mode, and fonts that can be casual or formal depending on your need. You can take visuals anywhere. Visuals created in Napkin can be exported as PNG, PDF, or SVG files to upgrade your content. You can also use URL links. To share visuals, use cases of Napkin. Captivate your audience with auto-generated infographics, diagrams, flowcharts, and more. Use Napkin and presentations to create impactful slides. Add visuals to blogs to make them more engaging. Use visuals and social media posts to attract and engage your audience. Write easy-to-read documents with Napkin visuals. Here are a few examples of visuals created on Napkin. These showcase the tool's versatility. To start, go to the top and click on Get Napkin Free. Using Napkin, you can generate visuals by pasting text or leveraging AI for demonstration purposes. Let's go through generating visuals. With AI in the text bar, add your text or use a suggested prompt. For this demo, I will type "What is AI technology?" and mention its types, then press Continue. It takes time to generate AI content, so wait patiently. Once the AI content is ready, I will select all the AI-generated content, and click Generate Visuals. It takes some time to create visuals, so, again, wait patiently. Here, our visuals are ready. On the right side of the canvas, you'll see different types of visuals. Select one that suits your needs. I will choose a specific style. Within that style, different variations are also available. Choose one based on your preferences. Alright, using Napkin AI, we can generate high-quality visuals effortlessly. It makes understanding paragraphs much easier. With the help of visuals, you can also edit the text in visuals. According to your needs, click on the three dots on the left side of the canvas. From here you can change the background color of your visuals. There are many color options to choose from. Next, select the aspect ratio. According to your need, Napkin offers 3 types of aspect ratios. You can also change the style of your visuals. For downloading, click Download. To export your visuals, save them as PNG, SVG, or PDF. You can also adjust settings, like color mode, background color, and resolution. After that, click Download. Once the download is complete, open the visuals. Okay, the quality of the visuals is outstanding. Using Napkin, you can generate stunning visuals with ease. To create a new visual, click New Napkin, then select Blank Napkin. In the provided space, paste your text, highlight the entire text, and click Generate Visuals. It takes some time to generate visuals. So, be patient. Here are the results. Beautiful visuals are generated, different styles of visuals are available, and you can choose one that fits your preferences. You can also adjust the size of the visuals to suit your needs. With the help of visuals, you can understand paragraphs more easily. Napkin also allows you to upload images from your computer. Drag and drop images from anywhere, or copy and paste them directly. You can change the background color of visuals. Select from different styles, and adjust the aspect ratio as needed. Once everything is set, click Export to save your file. Export it as PNG, SVG, or PDF. You can also turn off the background. Adjust color mode to light, change the resolution to 3x, and then download the file. After downloading, open the visuals. Alright, using Napkin, we can create amazing visuals effortlessly. Napkin is truly the best tool for generating impactful visuals. Try Napkin and share your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, and subscribe to my channel for more updates on AI tools and trend. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe my channel.